Hello YouTube, Fire Hippo Mario here, and I'm going to teach you how to transfer videos and photos from PC to iPod Touch, iPhone or iPad, whatever the hell you use, using iCloud. No iTunes or shitty sounding apps required. Okay, first you need iCloud installed on your computer, otherwise it won't work. So, go to the image of media you want to transfer. Okay, either drag it or copy and paste it through iCloud storage. Okay. Paste it. And there is here. Okay. Now, after that, go to Files. Ignore. And here it is. Download it. Be patient, it'll take a while. And then save the image. And bam, you transfer a video to your mobile devices without iTunes or any shady apps. Thanks for watching.